All right, let's talk about how to get to the conversation threads in the NetDocs AI assistant. I'm going to check the box next to hospital records right here, and then I'm going to come over to Ask AI. Now this is going to open up the area where we can ask a question. Now it is taking these two documents that we've added and it is adding them over here to the AI assistant. Now I could do something like, can you summarize these two documents? That's a really bad prompt, but it's not the purpose of this. This isn't a prompting thing. All right, so it's going to give me a summary here on these two documents. Now, I'm going to give this thread a name, okay? Summary of documents for property. All right, there we go. So that is in a sense the thread. Now, if I come over to this button, I'm going to see a history of every query I've had in the AI assistant. And that's great because then I can go back in here and kind of pick off where I left off at any time, keeping the last 30 days of documents. So to get to this, we're going to check the box next to anything. If we go over to Ask AI, we will then be able to come over here. It'll show you, I think, like the last 3 ones, but if you come over to history, it shows you everything. Your other option is if you're in NetDocs and you just click up here at the Ask AI, it will pop open as well. Then you'll see the threads, and then this history will bump you to the last 30 ones that you've done. So that's how you get to that conversation thread, and that it should be individual just for you.